Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap, and as you can probably tell I'm at the church, so it's time to make the big batch. And today I'm going to be doing what I hope to be a simple drop pour. I'm going to be using some kind of more warm neutral colors. Never would have thought of this color combination myself, but I saw Katie Carson do a variation of it, so it's not going to be the same as hers. But I got the idea. So it's going to have white with titanium dioxide. I get it from Crafter's Choice. It's going to have fire cider from Nurture Soap, which is kind of a coppery reddish color. It's going to have Sahara Gold from Nurture Soap. And it's going to have Platinum Gray from Nurture Soap. Now, she didn't use these exact colors. I think hers were from Mad Micah's, but they were similar. I'm also going to fragrance this with an old favorite from Brambleberry, Bergamot Black Tea. And I already have my batter mixed up and ready. It's just been hand stirred, so it's alright to sit for a minute or two because it has not been stick blended at all. So, give me just a minute to get things set up, and actually, technically, I think we're ready to go. No, I gotta measure a couple of things. So let me get set up and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready. I hadn't measured the fragrance out. I thought I had everything ready to get started, but I don't. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and get my colors in my containers. I'll do the white last because I'm going to have to be really careful because it's really warm in this room, and I use the heat transfer method with quite a good bit of ice, but my soap batter is pretty warm. So I'm being extra cautious. So there is our Platinum Gray. I'm just going to hand stir it. Next is our Sahara Gold. And I'm just getting over a bad cold, so I still have a minor case of the sniffles. So sorry if you keep hearing me do that. And then we will do our fire cider. Last but certainly not least, our titanium dioxide. I did go ahead and mix it in water because I really want to do as little stick blending as possible. And I don't want this super bright, so I don't have a whole lot. As a matter of fact, I almost considered, or I actually did consider leaving it uncolored, but I decided to go ahead and put some in. Have a little bit of brightness to it. And then, of course, when I stick blend that, it will really brighten it up. So let's go ahead and do just that. We will stick blend lightest to darkest. And then I'm just going to hand stir the fragrance before I start to pour. Didn't even get my stick blender connected. I was all ready to go and trying to be organized and but anyway, here we go. just a real quick hit's all I'm going to get because we're really warm. That is all I'm going to do. And I'll hand stir the fragrance in. So just put a quarter in each. Just look at this color palette. Just look at those. I hope you can see them. Let's take a look overhead. Now, I never would have come up with that on my own. Now, these are just a little thin for my liking, and I'm not going to dare stick blend them, so I'm just going to shut us down and let it sit for about a minute, and I will be right back. And when I come back, this is probably going to be a long pour. At least if it goes the way I'm hoping, it'll be a long pour. So I will probably just put some music with it. I'm not going to try to talk during that. So see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back the next day and it's time to cut our soap. So I was really concerned because this was so unbelievably thin when I poured it. I was really afraid I was going to have colors mixing together, but the side view tells me otherwise. It's exactly what I wanted. The white is not stark white, it's just kind of a creamy off-white. This is the center bar. Let's just go ahead and cut it and see. But I do believe I was concerned for nothing, but we'll find out for sure right now. Oh, yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Nice, big, thick color lines. I really did not think I was going to achieve that because it was so thin. So yeah, great. So let's see, that was the center bar. So let's get an end bar. See what it looks like. And once again, awesome. So let's get this other end bar and see what it looks like, but I have a feeling it's going to look the same. All of these are relatively similar, which isn't always the case with the drop swirl. Yeah, I am really pleased with these. So I'll line these up and get a picture loaded with the video. That's what I have this week. And like always, I really appreciate you all. Thanks for watching. And I hope you all stay safe and take good care of yourselves and be blessed. And I'll see you next time around. Bye, everybody.